Gigantic rhino hides arrive at the facility. Before sunrise, the leather refination process begins. Each hide weighs hundreds of kilograms. Before sunrise, the leather refinement process begins.
The raw material is transferred for initial inspection.
Rhino leather is known for its extreme density and toughness. Every sheet is examined for imperfections. Only premium-grade sections move forward. Thickness is measured for uniform processing. Each hide receives a tracking identification. The transformation officially begins. The hides enter massive washing drums. Deep soaking removes dirt and impurities. Years of surface residue dissolve away. Specialized solutions prepare the fibers. The hide softens under controlled hydration. The temperature is carefully regulated. Precision ensures fiber integrity. Contaminants are flushed away. A final rinse restores balance. Now the hide is clean and receptive. Excess tissue must be removed. Powerful blades shave unwanted layers. Uniform thickness begins to appear. Edges are refined and shaped.
Accuracy is critical at this stage.
The hide enters the liming stage. Hair and outer proteins are loosened. Remaining fibers detach cleanly.
The natural grain emerges.
Residual chemicals are removed. Now comes stabilization, tanning. Mineral agents bind with collagen fibers.
The hide transforms at molecular level.
Durability is permanently locked in. Chemical balance is constantly monitored. This stage can take many hours. The stabilized leather takes on a new tone. Excess solution is recycled.
Strength has multiplied.
The leather now rests to settle. Thickness is refined with precision. Every millimeter matters.
Consistency defines luxury quality.
Grade A on the left stack, grade B on the right.
The shaping stage begins. Moisture is removed carefully. Shape stabilization occurs. Controlled airflow completes drying. The grain tightens beautifully. Flexibility is tested. Mechanical softening enhances feel.
Fibers relax internally.
Rigidity gives way to luxury softness. Rigidity gives way to luxury softness. Strength remains uncompromised. Balance between toughness and flexibility is achieved. Color is infused deeply. Pigment penetrates the grain. Luxury demands precise tones. Surface finishing enhances uniformity. Depth of color defines character. Texture can be enhanced or customized. Patterns are permanently pressed. Heat locks texture into place.
Every detail becomes refined.
Final inspection begins. Microscopic flaws are identified. Microscopic flaws are identified. Precision cutting defines final dimensions.
Edges are sharply defined.
Final polishing enhances sheen.
A subtle luxury glow appears.
The transformation is complete.
Finished sheets are prepared for shipment. Logistics move swiftly. From raw hide to refined strength.
Crafted for perfection. Ready for the world's finest creations.
Machines rest after transformation.
A mark of resilience. Endurance. Forged.
Where strength meets refinement.
Before sunrise, the leather refination process begins.